This video will outline how to request and review a quote from within a change document in Gate 3. There are several prerequisites that are required before you can request a subquote. Ensure the project financials, the budget, billing, and costing modules have been set up, and that all the budget lines and cost accounts have been linked. Also ensure a change document has been created and has a status of active. In order to request a subquote, ensure the contract requisition has been created and is approved. You may only request a quote from a subcontracted company that is linked to a requisition. Ensure you're logged into a project. Click on the Start menu. Then navigate to the Change Management module. The default Changes view appears and displays all draft and active change documents. Use the filter text boxes on the top to search for your change document. Ensure the change status is active and the summary and distribution status are draft. If this criteria is not met, you will be unable to request a quote. Once you have found your change document, click the change number hyperlink to open the document. Click on the Quotes link at the top of the document to quickly navigate to the Quote section. Next to the Subcontracted section, click on the New menu. Click the Request Quotes link. Search the applicable contact by company name. This list only displays all subtraits with an active contract requisition. Once you have found the contact, click on the Select button. Please keep in mind the primary contact linked to the contract requisition is displayed. Make sure the appropriate person you wish to send the quote request notification is selected. Confirm the due date and whether you wish to notify the subcontractor via Gate 3. Click the Confirm button to send the quote request. The notification will send the change details and attachments. The quote request is displayed in the quote section of the change under the subcontracted table with the status of under review. Once you receive the quotation from the sub, you can update and log the quoted information. From the change view, search and locate the change document. Click the change number hyperlink. Click the Quotes link on the top bar to navigate to the quote section. To open the quote request, click the Actions link and open the quote. The quote will open in a new tab. Click the Edit button to fill in the required information and complete the quote. Review the requisition section and select the contract requisition that will be affected. Then enter the pre-quoted amount, schedule implication details, and any attachments as required. Review the subject and description of the quote. The change detail subject and description should automatically be copied into the quote. Note: the quote subject and description will be carried over into the SCO, subcontractor change order, along with quote attachments. You may modify this description now if necessary. Once complete, click the Save icon. The quote is still under review. Based on your access level, you may not have the option to review this quote. However, if you are the reviewer, click the review icon to begin the review process of the quote. You may approve or reject the quote. Then click OK. The quote will close. Navigate back to the change document. Click the Refresh link located on the top bar to see the updates made to the quote. Click on the Quotes link on the top bar to navigate to the quote section of the change. The quote amount will be displayed and the status will become active. The quote will now be included in the summary. Another way to find any existing requested quotes is from the View menu. In the following example, the View menu will be demonstrated. In this example, we have requested 2 additional quotes, and they are currently under review. Another way to view and review your subquotes is by using the View menu. Click the View menu and navigate to the Quotes by Company view. Use the filter text boxes to search for the quote by company name. Once you've found the company, click on the Show Quotes hyperlink in order to display all the quotes for this subcontractor. A new panel will be displayed on the bottom of the view. Take a look at the status column. To open the quotes that have a status of under review, click the Quote Reference Number hyperlink to open the document. Follow the steps to update the quote with the quoted amount and how to approve or reject the quote as previously outlined in this video. Once completed, navigate back to the change document and click on the Refresh link. Navigate to the quote section of the change document. The quote status will be updated to active and has now been included in the summary total. Note that all types of quotes with an active document status are included in the change summary document by default. If you wish to remove the quote from the summary document, be sure to uncheck the Include in Summary checkbox. You now have a better understanding of how to request and review a subquote. The next steps in the change process includes gathering and logging your quotes to be carried on the change summary. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.